Hi guys, it's exciting news for me. I have my birthday orchid haul from the Hauserman Orchid, and it arrived just in time before it's gonna snow again. And this is my big haul for birthday present for me. It's February, my birthday month. And I am so excited. I've been waiting for this order. And then when they said that it's gonna get delivered today, I almost did not sleep last night. Look at this. Lots of papers. Shredded papers. I'm gonna put this one in my garden. So exciting. So exciting. It's always exciting if there's something new orchids for the collection. Okay. Oh my goodness, which one's first? Here. It's so hard to open when you only have one hand. Anyway, this is unboxing look like anyway. I'm gonna use my elbow. They really wrap this up pretty good. This is my first order in Hauserman anyway. Oh my gosh. Fat roots. Oh my god, what are you? You are the... Oh, I've been waiting for this. This is the Rencostylis celestis, pink color. This is gonna be so beautiful. Yes, and it's blooming size, I hope. Okay, I'll put this aside there. Pick number 2. Goodness. I am so excited. What are you? I feel like I'm a kid in the candy store right now. Be careful. Be careful. Be gentle. Oh. This is a dendrobium. But what's the name? Dendrobium. Yeah. Dendrobium springbird kurashiki. Yes. I'm gonna take care of this later. There. Stay there, kurashiki. You are a beautiful, beautiful girl. And so is my Rencostylis celestis. That's beautiful. What's in the wrap number 3? I wish I had my tripod here and different video camera so that I can just like rip into these papers. But I am too lazy to set up all the equipment. I have all this equipment, but I'm just too lazy to set them up. And this is the... Oh! Dendrobium tersiflorum. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! I always wanted this one since I bought my first Dendrobium farmeri. And this one, the Dendrobium tersiflorum. Oh my gosh! My next orchid hunt would be the Dendrobium amethystoglossum. They are so beautiful. I like them. They're pendulous flowers. Yes. I made this order to Hauserman because of this. I went to their website and I found this one, and then all this crazy thought that order more orchids. It came from because of this one inspired me, the Dendrobium terciflorum. Oh my goodness, this is just beautiful, and it's a little bit bigger. Good. Now I have a lot of recycling papers to do after this one. Lots and lots of recycling. My number 4. Oh, I hope this video won't be too long. While I'm opening, I'll show you my what's still in bloom. This is all my sit up down here in my living room. Sorry, the orchid invasion. I put away my cymbidiums in the cold room. They are too big. Hang on, when this one's gonna open. Orchid number 4. Oh my god, it has a keiki. It's quite tall. And she says she's got a baby. Or a keiki in Hawaiian word. And what are you, baby? This is my Dendrobium yellow song canary. Oh my god, I saw the picture of this one. It is amazing color of Dendrobium. I love this. I don't have to go to Yamamoto Dendrobium order because I already have this. It's amazing. I like it. How many oh my god, it looks like it has a flower spike. Focus. There. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like it's 4 flower spikes that I can see. I'm gonna have to take a look at that later on. And a keiki. Oh, awesome. I love the keiki in this one. I will propagate this properly. Yes, love it. Okay, you lay down in here with your sister. And this is quite long. What are you? This is exciting. This one's long. Oh my god, maybe there's flowers in this one. What is this? Oh gosh. What is that? What is that? I'm really sorry about the shakiness, guys, of this video. Got inserted over there. Where's the name tag? I didn't see any name tag. Oh, I'm disappointed. Where's the name? Oh, I'll find it later. There is no name tag. Disappointed. But anyway, I'll put this in there. I'll figure it out which one's which. And got invaded over there. What's this? What's this? Oh, my recycling bins would be full after this one. Or I can use this paper for repotting. This is Cymbidium, I think. Yeah, I was right. No flowers. This is the Cymbidium Arirang King. I got this one because it's on sale, and I'm saving myself shipping and handling. So, yep. This is Cymbidium Arirang King. It has a beautiful red flowers. That's why I ordered that. And my goodness. Hang on. This one. Unboxing orchids really is fun. I paused it for a while because that was a hard packaging over there, so I need both hands. So, and this one, it has a flower spike. Look at that. Please focus. Please. It has a flower spike, guys. 3 of them. I mean, not flower buds. Yeah. It won't even focus. I don't know. Okay. And she is very tiny. Tiny, tiny plants with flowers already. And she is... Her name's called... What are you? Okay. She wants to be special like this. Just gonna tell you. It's Epidendrum centropedalum. Oh my gosh. Very small and with flowers already. I ordered her because she's also on sale. Yeah, on sale, and I'm saving for taking advantage of the shipping and handling. Yeah. Well, she's got flowers. Buds. Yeah. Look at that. How cute is that? Well, compared to my hand, that's whole plants. Oh my goodness. Okay, and don't want to make this video too long, but this one, there's one very long one in here. Oh my gosh, I don't know what is this. This is the last but not the least. Never the least. Okay, let's do this right without pausing. Very hard to do unboxing with one hand. This is so properly wrapped up. So gently. Oh, it's in buds. I see a big nubbins in there. Aha. My third dendrobium that I ordered, and it's about to buds. Look at that. Very tall. Got some nubbin going on, and she's the dendrobium. Yan, like that. Dendrobium Red Emperor Prince. Oh my god, when I saw the picture of this one, I just fell in love with this baby. Very red color. Beautiful, beautiful Dendrobium nobile. I love it. Love it, love it. And there's only one that I'm disappointed about that has no tag. Maybe it was in the box. I'm just gonna look for it later. But all in all, I love the orchids that I see, that I receive right now. I'm gonna get this properly cleaned and rearrange them or repotting if need be right now. Oh my goodness, like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 orchid. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, I have 8 additional orchid to my collection. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much, guys. Oh, hang on. Without the tag, but I remember this one. This is the Rhynchostylis retosa. Yeah, because I remember I ordered 2 Rhynchostylis, the Celestis and the Rhynchostylis retosa. Yes, that's her. Okay, guys, sorry the video is too long, and I'm sorry about all this like movement in the camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.